These two websites here can do all of the hard work for you. And in this video, I will show you how to utilize these platforms and can make you $10 again and again for absolutely free without having to invest a dime upfront and with complete ease. This will also work worldwide and will not require any skills in order to work. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So for today's video, I've prepared a simple and straightforward strategy for you. It entails using platforms like Fiverr.com in conjunction with tools that will do all of the work for you, which I will demonstrate later in the video. But first and foremost, because some of you may not be familiar with Fiverr, allow me to clarify what Fiverr is. It is a freelance website where you may work as a freelancer and offer a number of services, such as voiceovers, transcription, video editing, and design, and a lot more. With that being said, for those of you who are aware of what Fiverr is and how competitive it is, don't worry, I'm just using it to demonstrate something. It's not the platform that you will be signing up, because as I previously stated, this website is so competitive and it's difficult to attract consumers or customers here. Anyway, if you search for ebook cover design on this site, you will see all of these freelancers offering to make you an ebook cover. I'm showing you this because I want you to see how much money there is to be made here. With the basic bundle, this person charges $10. The premium option costs $35, and there have been over 900 reviews thus far. So, based on the reviews alone, we're talking about making no less than $9,000 here. This isn't a huge sum of money, but it's a good start. And thanks to the tools that I've shown you, soon enough you'll be able to make similar sums of money doing virtually no work in comparison to some of the people I'm showing you. And as I said earlier, we will not use Fiverr, and as a result, you should sign up for the following platforms: Upwork.com, QuickandGigs.com, Freelancer.com, Bribe.com, PeoplePerHour.com, and Guru.com. Obviously, there are a lot more freelancing platforms out there, but these are the ones that I would recommend. These websites are not nearly as competitive as Fiverr, but they have a sizable user base. And you should sign up for all of these sites by clicking on the sign up button in the upper right corner. They will then ask you for your basic personal information such as your email address and password before allowing you to create an account. You'd rather sign up for numerous platforms than just one because you'll be able to obtain a lot more clients by doing this. If you generate gigs on all of these sites, you'll acquire more customers, spend less time sitting around doing nothing, and make more money. Also, do take note that things will move slowly at first, so don't set false expectations. Things will move slowly at first because you will not have any reviews and people will be unsure whether or not to work with you. However, after you have a few positive reviews, you will be able to attract far more customers down the line. And when that happens, things will become more easier for you. However, because you are not a graphic designer, you will not be able to produce an ebook cover in the first place. As a result, the next step is to choose from one of the two platforms. These said platforms will perform all of the legwork for you and help you to earn a lot more money with little to no effort. Like I mentioned at the start of this tutorial, GetStencil.com is the first platform I have for you, and Canva.com is the second. And I know many of you have probably heard of these sites by now. You can create ebook covers with ease on each of these platforms. The difference is that GetStencil doesn't have nearly as many design options as Canva. But since we only need ebook cover designs, both of these websites are feasible options in our scenario. There is also a catch. This is why I am showing you two platforms. GetStencil.com is not free, but it is not expensive either. and it is far superior to Canva for this purpose. Meanwhile, Canva is free, so what I encourage is that you build some ebook covers with it and then spend some of your earnings for a Get Stencil account. By the way, if you click on price here, you'll discover that you won't have to invest nearly as much money as you may think. The most expensive plan is only $12 per month, and you'll earn that much per ebook cover. As you can see, you will not need to invest a large sum of money. Anyway, to make an ebook cover on Canva, you'll need to sign up here, and then you'll have few alternatives. Either sign up via email and fill in all of your information, or sign up with Google or Facebook, which is considerably faster in the end. And this is how everything will look when you sign up and log in into your account. Then to make an ebook cover, type ebook cover in the search field like this and click enter. You will be able to see all of the fantastic templates Canva has to offer, and there's basically a limitless quantity. Even though I said it's preferable to use Get Stencil, Canva isn't horrible in any way, shape, or form, and you may use it instead of Get Stencil if you want to. In any event, you'll need to open up some of these templates and start editing them. What you open will be determined by what your customers ask of you. When you discover a template you like, simply click on it and you will be taken to the editor, where you may change almost everything. You can obviously edit the text, move it around, change the size, color, and even the design itself if you want to. You can add various elements, and one of my favorite features is that you can also upload images that you may download from Google. In other words, you can alter anything you want in order to design the perfect ebook cover that customers will love. It will take you no more than 10 to 15 minutes to make a nice one. However, for someone else, it could take up to an hour. Anyway, once you're done with your work, click the download button in the upper right corner and then send it to your customer. Rinse and repeat until you have enough money to invest in Get Stencil, or you can continue to use Canva to get paid. You'll be able to make some great money anyway because you'll be using various platforms. While some people on Fiverr have made around $5,000 in total, you'll be able to make a lot more because you'll have a lot more customers but considerably less competitors. So to summarize, sign up on various freelancing platforms and look for customers or clients to work on ebook designs. Once that's done, use Get Stencil or Canva to create the perfect ebook design, and then just download your design and then send it to your customers. And by doing this, you will make a lot of money by doing very simple work. And that is it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.